Hello everyone, it's Adjuster Jeff and I have a great video for you. The topic that I want to talk about is how a public adjuster can make a huge difference in your settlement amount. But before I get started, I wanted to reach out and say I hope that you and your family are safe if you happen to have been in the hurricane area of Irma. Your loss is something that I can understand. I was in the Sandy storm, my house was flooded. I understand the process. I kind of understand what you're going through. Your damage may have been much more than I had, but I do want to be able to let you know I can share information with you. I've been through the process. I know the forms. I know the language, and I know all the grants and loans and so on that are available to you. So I'd certainly be able to share that information with you. The rebuilding process really begins now. My message to you is don't do it alone. Use professionals. Take the time to pull people in that really know what they're doing. And Metro Public Adjustment is one of them. So let me quickly introduce myself. I'm the Regional VP with Metro Public Adjustment. We're based out of Bensalem, Pennsylvania. That's just north of Philadelphia. We're the largest public adjustment firm in the U.S. We have a huge presence along the eastern seaboard. From Chicago to Atlanta. We've been in business since 1992. We've been around for a long time handling large cat losses as well as your daily damage, hot water tank pops, freezing pipes, those kinds of things. So you may ask, what is a public adjuster? Well, a public adjuster quite simply is this. We're an advocate for you, the policyholder. Whether it's residential, commercial, or industrial properties, we represent them all. We're regulated by the state. We basically level the playing field when you have damage. A public adjuster has the fiduciary responsibility to represent your interests. On the other hand, the insurance company, they have their in-house adjusters that represent their interests, and this way we level the playing field. We don't get paid unless you get paid, so we're working on a contingency basis, and our inspections are free. We come in, we look at the damage, make sure that it's covered under your insurance policy. So how can we help you? Well, quite simply, we're going to do a lot of different things behind the scenes as well as things that you'll see. We're going to evaluate the coverage. We're going to document the loss. We're going to ensure the policy conditions are met. We're going to prepare a damaged estimate. We'll present the claim properly, and that is so important. If you have flood as well as wind and rain damage, you're looking at two separate insurance policies. What caused what? What did what? When did it happen? This is an area where most homeowners just don't understand how to approach this, and we do it all day long. We eat, breathe, and sleep insurance policies. We know the adjusters. We know the insurance companies. We know when we're standing on solid ground. We will push back, and we will push back hard when we feel you should be compensated for damage. We are simply this. We're like an accountant. When you file your taxes, many people use an accountant because they know that an accountant will get them more money. It's painless, it's easy. You basically give everything to the accountant and they get you much more money. And that's what I do, and it works out very, very well. Smart Money magazine says that homeowners only get 25 to 40 cents on the dollar when they represent themselves. So don't put yourself in a position where you may get a low offer and you don't even realize that you have been. So keep that in mind. In closing, again, I hope this video finds you safe. I know it's a very difficult time, but you will get through it. The good news is you will get through it. You will need professional help. Certainly give us a call. We're a resource. Pass our information on. I hope this video was helpful. It's Adjuster Jeff. Again, see you at the next video. Take care.